shirt. Right. Minute 10. Easy 2 points. 2-0 guys. Tangkad. With the ball. Number 2. Uy, grabe sa inyo. Uy, grabe.
Wala pa naka-score, diba? Wala pa yun, diba?
Ay, si naka-blue. Naka-short ay naka-blue.
Sa Batangas?
Oo. Number 4. Number 18. Okay, number 3. Pinananaman na to. Number 18. 3 points. No good. Liwanag. With the ball. Magandang laban to guys. Liwanag. With the big pass. With the big shot. May naman. No good. Nice cover. Number 3. Diretso. Pinasa. Pinasa kay Bruce. Oh, naman. 18. Number 3. 3 points. No good. Number 5. Grabe naman. Liwanag. Libre. Number 1. With the ball. To bright. Floater. Wala. Tangkad with the ball. Transition offense. Tumira na stretch. No good. Number 3 with the ball. Offensive transition. Mr. Blue Shirt. Big shot. Wow, no lucky bounce. Number 1 with the easy shot. Nice pass by number 18. Tangkad with the ball. Bounce pass. Ay, nako. Attention. Oy, turnover. Tangkad. Number 5. Press. Uy, pwede the box. Big shot. Number 1. Sinasa sa number 3. Offensive transition. TV1. Nagkakakampi 18. Cheer 40. Grabe naman yun.
Kahit to.
Yan pwede. With the class number 1. Cheer pa rin nyo. Easy layup.
Kahit to.
Liwanag. Liwanag. Nagbambol.
Kahit 4, 5-4.
4-5-4. Lamang ang left side. Lamang lang isa. Number 18 with the ball. Pinasa si number 3. Number 3 with the ball. Oh, uy, grabe ba? Footwork. Webby, big shot. No good. Number 5. Binata kay Liwanag. Layo. Outside. Turnover. Webby with the ball. Time check. Number 3. Oh, steal. Number 3 ulit. Tamang po na. Right back. Grabe naman. Tangkad with the ball. Tangkad. Clover. No good. 18 with the ball. Rebound. Number 3. Offensive transition. Binigay. Reverse. Easy basketball. 1+1 equals 2. Okay, number Santos. With the ball, dribbling the ball. Ooh! Fade away. No good. Rebound by Tangkad. Sinasa. Liwanag. Layup. Floater. All good. All good, my guy. 18. Sinasa number 3. Grabe. Big win. Sinasa number 1. With a contested shot. Pero pasok. Matthew. Pinasa sa number 3. Double team. Grabe. Marami pa kayo. Dito po.
10-9.
Lamang lang isa. Dito, rebound.
Balik na ulit.
Lamang isa. Right side. Number 3. Dito po. Michael, hindi ko makita. Crossover. Between the legs. Oh, behind the back. 80. Ay, turnover. Miscommunication, bro. One under the ball. Offensive transition. Looking for teammates. Matthew. Oh. Matthew with the ball. Ay, miscommunication, bro. Turnover. Quick straps. Low. Number 3. Uy, grabe naman. Iwana, hit the ball. Transition. Matthew. Give it goal. Offensive rebound. Ooh, power move. Number 1 with the rebound. Ay, foul. Number 3, between the legs, pinagay sa number 1. Uy, first leg, all good. Team Pilipinas, number 2, with the drive, uy, no good. 80 with the rebound. Offensive transition, number 3. Ganda naman to. Grabe naman to, pati ako nalito. Number 5, with the ball.
5 minutes.
Last 4 minutes and
5 minutes. 5.
Number 5 with the ball. Pinatol. Simple, guys. 9-7. Trading by 3 points. Grabe naman doon. Number 3. Boy. Nasunod. 18. Grabe ka naman. Ang win. With the ball. Bluer. No. Tato with the ball. Wait lang.
Foul.
Okay. Transition open. Uy, grabe ka naman. Good luck pa yun. Tangan. 3 points. Number 3 hit the ball. Ang score natin 12-16. Naman. Ng 4 points.
3 minutes.
Last 3 minutes. Grabe behind the back yun. Grabe din, pinagla. Tara, ito rebound. Kalma lang. Dito pa. Matthew, kumisto. 18. Sabi ko, ito mo lang. Ako na Matthew, no good. Number 1. Number 18. Number 3. Pinigat nila. Now go say what it's saying. This way, Iwana, on your go. Easy to find.
2 points lang, oh.
Dahil na ba? Grabe naman yun. Sumakit ka pa. Kaya ka pa. Liwanag. No good. Number one. Pinato. Wala. 90. Score 16-20. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Reverse. Okay. With the ball. 16-22. Bigyan ng 3. No good. Ricky with the ball. Number 18. Number 1 minute and 22. Okay. 18 with the ball, pinatulan. Tama pa rin, pagkato, Matthew with the ball, easy 2 points para kay Matthew.
After 30 seconds.
Last 30 seconds. Turnover.
Life goes on, honey, how my baby sweet.
Looking for the population.
Shoot the ball. Pull it around.
With the go crazy by me.
Beat the rebound. Number 3. Turnover. Number 2. With the drive. Side step. 2 points. 2 points.
Last shot.
Okay. Last shot of the game. Number 3 last shot. Strawberry Passion. Game over. Nice game, guys.